Is Delhi following Uttar Pradesh's footsteps? Well, it seems like that might be the case as a new debate has erupted over whether shop owners in the national capital should be mandated to display their names outside their establishments. Jangpura MLA Tarvinder Singh Marwa has written a letter to Chief Minister Rekha Gupta urging the Delhi administration to issue official guidelines to make it compulsory for shop owners to put up name boards. Now, what's interesting is that this proposal comes after similar rules were enforced in UP by Yogi Adityanath government last year for transparency and accountability. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me this morning for more on that. Kritika, good morning to you. Given the aspect of what we've seen very similar in UP, but this is of course a big question as to whether this is being mulled. What are we given to understand?
Well, yes, Tarvinder Singh Marwa, the MLA from Jangpura, I mean, remember this was a key constituency, had defeated Manish Sisodia, the former Deputy Chief Minister, to win that constituency. He had written the letter yesterday to the Chief Minister demanding that all shops owners should display their names so that given that this is the festival where both Navratri as well as Eid is being celebrated, then people will be able to make a conscious decision from which shop to purchase from. But remember, this matter had also reached the Supreme Court when districts in Uttar Pradesh, when the government got also involved in this. There was districts in Madhya Pradesh as well that had mandated shop owners to display their names at their fruit carts and as at their stores as well. However, what later happened was that in the Supreme Court, the orders first of all were stayed, and then the bench had said that no shop owner can be compelled to display their name or the names of the staff working there, because this has a clear religious angle and could in fact lead to a situation wherein economical boycotting, depending on prejudices that people may or may not have, can also play in. So this is what the Supreme Court had said. However, given that Kavod Yatra will also be beginning in a few months from now, Navratri is going on till the 6th of April, and anyway, what we are witnessing from the end of BJP MLAs, whether it is writing letters about the ban of meat on roads or in stores near temples,
Right.
or in city in general during the festival of Navratri, this is again a fresh issue that is being raked up by the BJP MLA, Mr. Marwa. Over to you.
All right, Kritika. Thank you for joining us with more on that and what we're given to understand. But for now, we leave it at